So I'm trying to, I'm going to get this big limb kind of on the edge of the swamp. So I'm going to kind of want to get it out of here and free up. Look how massive this thing is. Yeah, I'll show you real quick. Came off of that live oak right there. So I want to just clean it up a little bit. Let's see how it does. This thing maybe a little bit higher. Oh. This will be the knee cam. So I got it up out of here. So I can do it without hitting any of these other trees. Ooh, take it up a little bit more. That's massive. Now at the same time, I do not want to tear up any of my any of my pine trees. So I guess, anyway, I'm gonna turn this off. I have to fix it.